Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to send a reminder in Splitwise. Now the first thing I want you to do is just launch up Splitwise and then just select the group that has expenses where you have lent someone money or someone owes you money. Then what I want you to do is just slide here to the left and then you can click on balances. So you can see this person owes me 2,500 dirhams. I'll come here and click on remind. And then you can choose to either remind them via Splitwise, and Splitwise will email them the customer a reminder to my friend, or you can click here on more share options, and then you can choose between any of these other methods. I'll just choose to remind them via Splitwise and send them an email. So there we go. This is the template, and then just click here on the top right on send, and now we have sent them a reminder. So that is how you send a reminder in Splitwise.